Hey everyone. So I got a package and it's a bunch of sunscreen from this retailer, this European retailer that sells like European skincare products, including sunscreen. And I've researched them in the past, but I've never used them. I'm not sponsored. But this, for the rest of the month, I think it was the whole month of March, they're doing like 25% off all Eucerin products, including all of their sunscreens. It's my first time ordering from this site, but they do say 100% of the products are sourced directly from the manufacturer. So they're all certified, which is great. And it's actually my first time ordering any European sunscreens. I've never tried any before, believe it or not. And I'm super excited about this to get these. And I just wanted everyone to know that like all of the Eucerin products are 25% off for the rest of the month if you want to order them. Their site says it takes like 1 to 3 business days to ship to the United States, and they're based in Portugal. So yeah, I ordered it on Saturday and it came on Wednesday, I think. So it's actually a pretty quick turnaround time, but I did have to spend $107, which might sound like a lot, but I think on average, like each sunscreen was probably on average like $14 or $15. So I don't even remember how many I got, but I won't be able to try them all before the end of this promotion, probably, if any. So I just wanted to let you know that this is available if we're looking into getting sunscreens. And I always like getting sunscreens before the summer, especially when I'm ordering them online, because it gets really hot outside and I just like worry sometimes about all like the sunscreen just being out there in trucks and stuff and like degrading. But I don't know, whatever. I still order sunscreens throughout the summer, but I do think it's a good idea to order them before it gets really hot outside. So here's the box. It's like kind of a lot. And I want to just kind of go through why I got each one of these. So I got ordered 2 of some of them just because I wanted to not have to pay for shipping, which was going to be like $18, which is like the cost of another sunscreen. So I was like, I might as well just order more because I know I'll use them all. And some people have already reviewed these online, so I don't feel like I really need to do a review of the ones that like a wear test or anything of those, but some of them I didn't find anyone do a review of. Like the Hydro Protect, this one, I didn't actually see many people reviewing this one, but it's like seemed really good. So first of all of these, I bought them because they had Juvenile A+ in them. Not all of the Eucerin products from Care to Beauty do, or like not all of the sunscreen from Eucerin does have Juvenile A+, but all of the ones I order do. And while they have avobenzone and tinosorbas, which also provide UVA protection, I wanted Juvenile A+, just because I felt like I'm ordering a European sunscreen and I primarily care about protection from UVA. And if it doesn't have Juvenile A+, like, what's the point? Even though tinosorbas is pretty good for a new generation filter that has broad spectrum coverage. But anyway, all of these have Juvenile A+ in them, and I just didn't buy any of the ones that didn't. And I think all of them have tinosorbas as well, which is another great new generation filter. They all, and I think this is Eucerin's sort of marketing ploy, they have this ingredient from licorice roots, and let's see if I can grab the name of that. It's lycocalcone A, which is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and they're claiming that this helps protect from high energy visible light, like blue light. But I really don't know if that's true. If it is true, that would be really great, because I also think that blue light and high energy light in general is like worse than we might think for our skin. But anyway, it has that. And then some of these have glycerinic acid, which they say supports DNA repair. And I'm not 100% sure about that either, or if there's been any studies about that. But I think like licorice root is also what it's derived from. So anyway, these are all SPF 50+. Let's see, I got this Sun Allergy Protect. This one came in a large bottle and I think it was only $15, whereas like these small ones were $13, so it wasn't really a big difference. I think the Sun Allergy Protect is like 150 milliliters and these smaller ones are 50 milliliters, so it was like a good price per volume. But I do wonder if it'll be greasy or something. This one, let's see, the ultralight, is this 200? Yeah, this one's a 200 ml. I think this is the one that's water resistant. I actually can't read this. Anyway, this one, I think if this is the dry, yes, this is the one that's like water resistant. So I guess if you want a heavy duty sunscreen, that one was good. The Sun Allergy Protect, I think someone I saw reviewed this and said it was kind of like greasy, but I don't know. I really want to still try it and see. The oil control one, I think a lot of people really like this one, so I got a couple of them. And I also got the tinted version in the medium color. I think there's light and medium. And so I can try that one if you're interested. If you're interested in me trying any of these, let me know in the comments and I might try that one, but I probably won't try all of these. I got another one of the Hydro Protect and that's it. So I got like 4 different ones. The ultralight, this one's the water resistant one. I got the Sun Allergy Protect, this one's fragrance free. I don't remember which ones are fragrance free. I think the oil control is fragrance free if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, does it have any perfume? No no perfume. But I think one of these might have, definitely not the Sun Allergy Protect, but let's see. The Hydro Protect has fragrance, just in case you don't want to use fragrance, which I typically don't like it, but that's fine. I'm going to open one and just show you what it looks like. Let's see what the Sun Allergy Protect looks like when you open it. All of these, it says expires 11/2024, 11/2024, maybe 7/24. I don't know, I can't find one on this. Huh, that's weird. It's really weird. Made in Poland. Did I say this one has perfume? This one has fragrance. The dry, just want to make sure. Okay, yeah, anyway, the dry touch one has fragrance as well. So this video is all over the place, but anyway, I'm gonna open one of these just to show you what the bottle looks like. The Hydro Protect looks very tiny. How many milliliters is this? That is 50 ml. Okay, I'm just not, like, I haven't seen such a small bottle in a while, but it's tiny. And then let's see what the oil control one looks like. It's also 50 ml, but it's just like maybe, yeah, it is. Yeah, this is 50 ml. Okay, so anyway, I have a lot to try. Let's see what we can just really quickly show you. This is has some fragrance. It smells, I don't know what that smells like. Watermelon, maybe? Since no one's really reviewed this, I'll just show you what it looks like really quick. It feels nice. It feels light. Kind of milky. Dries pretty fast. It smells, it actually has a nice scent. I usually don't like scents that much, but it's actually kind of nice. Is it greasy? Was my skin already kind of greasy, or is this one really a greasy one? Because I'm wearing another sunscreen already. Well, I like that you don't have to spread it around too much. It just kind of dries really fast. So that's nice. This oil control ones, yeah, so these oil controls, say they have some ingredient called L-carnitine, which sounds like an amino acid. It's a lipid absorbing microparticle, help reduce the amount of oil on the skin. So if you have oily skin, maybe that'll be useful. I don't have particularly oily skin, but hopefully the product will just not be very greasy. This one looks kind of greasy, this Hydro Protect one. I don't know. We'll see about that. I just wanted to spread the word about the 25% off. If you're interested in Eucerin products, this could be a good time to buy it. I think that the only one, I was able to find this oil control for like slightly less on Cocoon Beauty, whatever that French one is. But I think this is pretty much the best price you're gonna get for Eucerin sunscreens for the majority of the products. So anyway, bye. Good luck.